Ran for my cousin Ray Ray. Sipping this on nail, got a nigga feeling crazy. Still trying to figure out why the fuck you take my babies. Shit ain't been the same, but I got a ball for these niggas. Got it out the mud, why the fuck you think I need niggas? Keep a tight circle, lock in, it's the key, nigga. They don't wanna see you win, yeah, you gotta peep, niggas. Fuck all these hoe niggas. Swear these niggas swear it death around the corner, so you know I gotta be prepared. I ain't wanna rap about this shit, I want my niggas here terrorizing shit. But I'm lost and I keep shedding tears, staying out the way, playing safe, but it's everywhere. So fuck it, guess a nigga gotta take it there. And mama couldn't afford no Cartier, so I had to take a pair. 4-5 sitting on my lap, nigga, just in case. I ain't starting shit, but let a nigga try instigate. 20, twin, hit a nigga on the interstate. Any man make it, cause these bitches to be in the way. 4-5 sitting on my lap, nigga, just in case. I ain't starting shit, but let a nigga try to instigate. 20, twin, hit that nigga on the interstate.
Hey, I'm telling you, man. Any nigga that ever looked at me wrong,